Here's a really quick overview of how you can find extra math for your student based on their math inventory score. So their math inventory went home a couple weeks ago. So that would be that number that was on the paper. If you need that again, let me know. So you would click on this link, which I sent to you via Remind. You would click the state is Maryland, Common Core would be fine though, and they are in grade 4. So then you would type in their quantile, which is the same thing as their math inventory score. So if your math inventory score was a 387, then you would put that in. It's going to show sort of where they are. Click search. And then down here, there's a bunch of different games, worksheets, all kinds of different things. If you're looking for extra stuff to do at home based on your child's math inventory score, this would be a great place to go.